we are going to discuss in detail and understand factors, product, prime numbers, and composite numbers. In mathematics, everything has a name. When you add two numbers, each of the numbers is called an addend, and the answer is called the sum. When you multiply two numbers, each of the numbers is called a factor, and the answer is called a product. Now, when we say 3 times 6 equals 18, this means if I divide 18 by 3, the answer would be 6, and there would be no remainder left, or the remainder would be 0. And if I divide 18 by 6, the answer would be 3, and again there would be no remainder, or 0 remainder. So I can say 3 and 6 are both factors of 18. In other words, factors of 18 are all those numbers by which 18 can be divided by without leaving any remainder. I can also divide 18 by 2 and 9 without having any remainder left because 2 9s are 18. Same thing with 1 and 18 by itself. I can arrange and write all of 18's factors like this. It's written as f of 18 means factors of 18 equals to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 as per what we saw over here. Numbers like 18 that have many factors or more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Prime numbers, on the other hand, are those numbers that have only 2 factors. These are some examples of prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Now, we said prime numbers have only 2 factors. Can you guess what those 2 factors are? Let's look at these numbers over here. Number 2 can be written only as 2 times 1. That means we can divide number 2 only by itself and 1 without having any remainder left. Same thing with 3 or 5 or 7. So, prime numbers have only 2 factors and those 2 factors are number 1 and that number itself. Now, let's find all the prime numbers between 50 and 60. Now, even numbers can never be prime because they can be divided by 2. So, that automatically cancels 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, and 60. If the number is less than 100, you have to check if it is divisible by 3, 5, or 7. Any number ending in 5 is divisible by 5, so it's not a prime number. To check if a number is divisible by 3, you have to add the digits and check if that is divisible by 3. So 5 plus 1, 6, it's divisible by 3, it's not a prime number. Same with 5 plus 7, it's 12, divisible by 3, not a prime number. We are left with 53 and 59, both of which cannot be divided by 3 and cannot be divided by 7. They are both prime numbers. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.